Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best blenders in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these blenders you can check out the description below, and also don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Vitamix Professional 750. If you want to buy a new blender, you need to make sure that you're getting quality for the money. Also, you need to take a look at the features, accessories and options of the blenders and choose the one that fits you best. One of the best professional blenders in the market is the Vitamix Professional 750. This one is a very powerful and compact machine that, surprisingly enough, delivers very quiet performance. It has 5 programmed settings with many more great features that you should check out. As you may know, there are plenty of differences between home grade and most commercial blenders besides their design, and this company has always preferred to opt for industrial design that's functional, almost only with big bulky bodies. This one comes with a great aesthetically pleasing package which is amazing and very compact. It has many more great features and overall the design looks great thanks to its sleek lines and beautiful style. Moving on, we have the controls. On this one, the controls are on the control panel and everything on there is instructed. In the middle of the control panel, there's a dial that has 10 speed settings you can choose from, and on the side you'll spot the pre-programmed functions. It's a very powerful and durable blender that can last you for years without a single problem. Furthermore, I should mention that on each side of the dial you'll spot 2 switches. One acts as a start and stop, and the other is for pulse. Also, the power rocker sits on the side of the device, the jug sits on top of the centering pad, and inside of the jug you'll spot 4 stainless steel blades. They're capable of destroying anything in their way because they're laser cut. Something else I should mention is that in the package of the device you find a useful cookbook that has plenty of recipes and will allow you to get prepared for tons of delicious meals and drinks. The 1400 watt 2.2 horsepower motor of the Vitamix Professional 750 delivers an amazing performance and can blend and crush tough things like ice without a single problem. It's one of the best professional blenders in the market, and if you want a very powerful, good-looking blender, you should check out this one. Number 4. It's the Ninja Mega BL770. Another great blender is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System that comes with some accessories. This one is a dream appliance that combines a food processor, a juicer and the functionality of a blender. It includes plenty of great attachments to perform all the great functions, and it also is available in 4 different models: BL770, BL771, BL772 and BL773CO. They all have the same motor and base unit but differ only in the selection and the number of accessories. In this video we're going to talk about the BL770 model. This blender looks very cool, and the main 72-ounce pitcher with tower blade assembly can deliver some great smoothies. It comes with a 9.5 inch by 8.2 inch unit base footprint, and the height of the blender with the main pitcher is about 17.8 inches, which means it can fit under most kitchen cabinets. I can say that this one is a bit complicated because the assembling and disassembling process includes plenty of steps which might be a little bit confusing. Furthermore, as mentioned, this blender can deliver some great smoothies. However, you should know that it has a problem processing hard and fibrous ingredients such as carrots, broccoli, mango and more. Also, this machine cannot make soup without pre-cooking, which means that it will not heat the liquid to a boiling temperature. This blender has 6 buttons: the power, pulse, single serve, dough, crush and blend. The power button powers the machine. The pulse is a very helpful button because when you hold it you can easily chop ingredients to the desired texture. The other 3 buttons are speed buttons that you can choose based on the situation. It comes with a powerful 1500 watt motor, but the blade to the motor coupling and the gear shaft are made of plastic. It's a very stable blender thanks to the special lever that locks the machine to the counter. Overall though, it's a great blender, and if you want more accessories I recommend this one. Number 3. NutriBullet NBR1201. Another great blender that can help you a lot in making your perfect smoothie is the NutriBullet MBR1201. This one denotes a new generation of compact blenders. It has a nice design, great build quality and extraordinary performance. It's a very easy to use, affordable and portable blender. And if you want one of the best, the NutriBullet MBR1201 could be the right one for your home. As you may know, NutriBullet makes some of the most popular, beautiful looking and powerful blenders on the market. This is one of them. You should know that it's a best-selling model on Amazon. It has a very nice looking design, it's super convenient, and on top of that it's very easy to use. You just have to add the desired ingredients inside, then add the liquid up to the marker line, and finally screw the blade on and the cup and you're ready to go. It's a very quiet device and the ingredients will be liquefied immediately. It's very small and it can easily be carried with you. It has a good looking body and it's very durable, and you can use it for several years without a single problem. While blending, this one uses a cyclone motion to help draw ingredients down towards the blade. I also should mention that you won't notice the separation. It mixes everything evenly. Also, you can hand wash the blades or rinse them immediately after use, but they're not dishwasher safe. Inside the box you get one extractor blade, one high torque power base, one tall cup, one handled lip ring, one regular lip ring, two Stay Fresh resealable lids, two short cups, one milling blade, one pocket nutritionist, and one user manual and cookbook. It measures 5.3 by 8 inches and it weighs around 3.6 pounds, which is great because you can easily move it around. It has a very powerful 600 watt motor which can give you amazing results. To clean this one, you just have to simply twist off the blade, rinse with water and soap, and you're good to go. It's one of the fastest and easiest solutions for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Most smoothies can be made in under 60 seconds, which is amazing. This bestseller blender is very feature-rich and has a very nice design. If you want one of the best blenders available, you should definitely consider taking a look at the NutriBullet MBR1201. Number 2. It's the Blendtec Blender Wildside Plus. Moving on, we have the Blendtec Blender Wildside Plus. This is one of the best blenders in the market for home users. It has an ultra-powerful motor, tons of presets for blending cycles, a touchscreen control panel interface which looks very cool, and many more great features that make the Blendtec Blender Wildside Plus one of the best blenders on the market. It is a bit expensive, but in my opinion, it's worth it. Design-wise, this one is very different from other blenders. There are no physical buttons, it lacks dials and buttons, however this one delivers a huge touchscreen display on the front part of the device that make the Blendtec Blender Wildside Plus very futuristic. The base part is made of brushed stainless steel and this makes the blender a bit heavier than the average juicer, but that is very much needed since at full power this device moves and stability is a must. I like how they use the new technology on this one. When you power the device, it'll greet you with a hello at first, and after that it'll reveal the functions. It has 100 speed settings you can choose from, which is amazing. You can have precise control over the 1725 watt electric motor, and it has a 3.8 horsepower output at its peak settings. I can easily say that this blender is one of the most powerful blenders on the market. Furthermore, you should know that this one also has plenty of other great features besides the speed setting and the power. It has the pre-programmed mix settings for different ingredients and recipes, including smoothies, ice cream, soups, salsa, and many more. One of the best features that this one has is the self-clean function, which cleans the jug properly. One of the biggest selling points of the Blendtec Blender Wildside Plus is its jar. You just can't go wrong with this blender. If the price is not a problem for you, then I would highly recommend this one because the Blendtec Designer Series Wildside blender can grind, juice, mix and blend without a problem. To conclude, I'd say that this one is a great blender that has a very nice design, futuristic features, and it can blend everything you throw at it. You should definitely check this one out. And at number 1, it's the Vitamix 5200. If you're looking for a new blender, the Vitamix 5200 could very easily be what you're looking for. It's considered as the best of all because of its unique features and performance. Now, let's see why this one is considered the best. When it comes to design, this blender comes in a standard Vitamix body style. It's available on the market in 2 color editions, black and white. Both of them look beautiful and perform fantastically. This one weighs about 10.5 pounds. The container is made from BPA-free plastic and holds 4 pounds, which means that at the same time you can make big batches of soup, beverages, ice cream and much more. Furthermore, performance-wise, the Vitamix 5200 has a 2 horsepower motor. This forceful blender uses 1380 watts to power through a variety of tasks. It's enough to puree, grind, mix or crush different kinds of food. I should also mention that this one has 10 variable high-powered settings with an RPM range of 500 to 37,000, which handles tougher blends with ease, giving you the power to control blending at slower speeds. In addition, you get thermal protection and radial cooling, which can rarely be found in this type of blender. Moving on, with such a powerful motor you can easily make everything from a simple fruit to an ice smoothie, crush the ice or a healthy creamy peanut butter, which is amazing. It has a disadvantage, and that's that it can get pretty loud, but of course it can grind everything, so sometimes it'll disturb you a lot with its noise, but it'll only last a minute. Almost everyone that's purchased the Vitamix 5200 claims that they've made the best decision for their kitchen, and they recommend it to all that want to change their health status and lifestyle. To sum up, I would say that if you combine all these amazing features, you'll realise that the Vitamix 5200 is one of the best, and I would highly recommend this blender to anyone who's looking for the best of the best. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.